Good morning, friend. Today we are going to discuss pediatric dose calculation. According to the pediatric dose calculation in posology, age according to the age, Clark's rules and Young's rules are used when either the manufacturer has not recommended dose for children or the prescriber has requested them to be used. In best explanation for this is simple that children vary so much in weight, size tolerance. Clark rules uses weight in pound and never in kg. ठीक आहे. जशा वेळेस देर इज कंडिशन फॉर द पेशंट हॅव्हिंग द मोर एज. आता जर जास्त वेटचं जर बाळ असेल तर अशा वेळेस तुम्हाला पीडियाट्रिक डोज कॅल्क्युलेशन करण्याची गरज आहे. तशा वेळेस तुम्हाला रिकमेंडेड नसलं, रिकमेंडेड नॉट बाय द मॅन्युफॅक्चरर, जे की प्रोडक्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चरर त्यांनी रिकमेंड केलेलं नसलं तर अशा वेळेस तुम्हाला डोज कॅल्क्युलेशन इज गरजेचं आहे. त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला काय करावं लागणार आहे, देर इज युजिंग द various formulae. Act as a pharmacist, you have to come and do the calculation according to the age. According to the age group, Young's rule, dose for child is equal to adult dose into child age upon child age plus 12. This is the formula formulated by the Young's rule. Dose of child किती आहे, adult dose into child age upon child age plus 12. Suppose we are take an example for the explanation. Example, a 10-year-old girl weighing 60 lbs. Average adult dose given for the girls is 300 mg. Calculate the child pediatric dose. आता 10 वर्षाचा मुलगा आहे, adult dose 300 mg आहे, तर you have to calculate. आणि त्याचं वजन किती आहे, 60 lbs. So we can do the calculation, putting the value in your solution, putting the value in your formula. Age of child किती आहे, 10 year. Average adult dose 300 mg. As per Young's rule, 10 upon 10 plus 12 into 300 mg, whereas 10 upon 22 into 300 mg, it is equal to 0.45 into 300 mg. It comes 136 mg. 136 dose required to show the pediatric dose calculation as per Young's rule. Then Cowling's rules. Cowling's rules used to calculate the dose for children 2 years of age or older. If 2 वर्ष आणि 2 वर्षापेक्षा जास्त मोठा जर मुलगा असेल तर that time you have to use the Cowling's rules. आता Cowling's formula stated that dose of child is equal to adult dose into age at next birthday in year upon age plus 12. Dose of child is equal to adult dose into age at next birthday in year plus upon age plus 12. This is in Cowling's rule. Then Freud's rule. Third is the Freud's rule. According to the Freud's rules for the infant. Infant means field. Freud's rule is more for calculating the dose for infant younger than 1 year. Younger than 1 year child आहे. In that case you have to use the Freud's rule. Dose of infant is equal to adult dose into age in month upon 150. So this is the formula given by the Freud's rule. In less than 1 year child. Calculate the, we are take one example. आता आपण एक example घेऊ. Calculate the child dose of 1-year-old baby. If the adult dose of medicine is 400 mg. 1 वर्षाचा बेबी आहे आणि 400 mg adult dose आहे. So we have to go and do the calculation. Solution for this. Age of child in month. आता 1 year is equal to 12 months and we have to convert the 1 year to 12 months and average adult dose is 400 mg. Child dose is equal to age of child in month upon 150 mg into average adult dose. 12 upon 150 mg, 150 lbs into 400 mg. Where is come amount? It is 32 mg. 32 mg dose required to show its required to body weight. According to the body weight, as per body weight, the Clark's rule. According to the body weight, there is Clark's rule for the dose calculation. Dose of child is equal to adult dose into weight in pound upon 150 average weight of adult in lbs. There is formula. dose of child is equal to adult dose into weight in pound and upon 150 average weight of adult in lbs. ठीक है, this is called as a Karp's rule. Body surface area. Body surface area is equal to body surface area used to calculate the dose. Body surface area used to calculate dose in some cases. Supposed to be example is anti-cancer drug methotrexate administered on milligram per mm square. Milligram per mm square. In that square you have to use the body surface area. Child dose. Child dose is equal to adult dose into body surface area in meter square upon 1.8 meter square average adult body surface area. And how to calculate the body surface area? Body surface area can be calculated with the help of formula. There is square root of weight in kg into height in centimeter divided by 3600. This is the formula for the calculation of body surface area. Then nomogram method. In this method there is child dose. Child dose is equal to child body surface area. You have to go and firstly calculate the body surface area into adult dose upon 1.73 body surface area. You have to firstly calculate the body surface area of child into adult dose upon 1.73 body surface area. This is the normal value of 1.73 body surface area of adult. Convert in pound to kilogram. How to convert the pound in kilogram? There is formula for the converting the pounds to kilogram. There is 2.2 lbs is equal to 1 kg. 2.2 is equal to 1 kg. 1 kg. This is the pediatric dose calculation. Thank you.